So ako daw magbabayad nito. Ayan, libre ko yung dalawa. I will treat you guys. I will pay for this, babe. Yeah, my YouTube salary.
My heart is made of stone. I know it's not my fault. It's just the way it is, love. My childhood was a bore. My feelings got ignored. Now I get back to now, love. Got me feeling like I stepped on legal stressing on my way to work. My way to work. Smiling like a rover, try my best to cover up how much it hurts. You know it hurts.
In the morning.
Oo nga, ito yung breakfast na ginawa ko kay Riona. Nag-wish ka na?
Of course.
Happy birthday na. Happy
you.
14th birthday. Ayun yung card mo. Tapos ayun yung mo, gifts mo. It's up to you if you want to open it later pag uwi mo. Yan, aga-aga. Ano dito? 7:30. Pero madilim na madilim sa labas. Madilim ba? Medyo maliwanag na konti kasi pa spring na. Yan, prepare ko na yung mo. Yung babaunin. Nice card, di ba? Tapos, may money pa. Nilagyan ko money. Gumising ako maaga. Ang ganda ng cards niya, guys. Oh, ayan, oh.
Like cute.
Ako po. Inubo na. Ayun yung laman, 20 pounds. Kasi ito ibigay namin sa kanya. Ayaw niya magpa-party. Gusto niya mag-shopping kami. Kaya sa kami aalis. Sa Sabado. Tsaka namin siya ililibre kung ano pa bibili niya doon. Ito yung breakfast ko today. Ayan yung ginawa kong longganisa. In-air fry ko. Tapos ayan, avocado with honey. What is your breakfast?
I don't know. I'm just going to add it all up now because I've already had a large venti latte from Starbucks. So
Oh, I'm jealous about that. You didn't even give me.
Didn't even pay for it. Mum bought it for me.
Lucky boy. Ito yung balon niya. Ayan. Yung binili namin kahapon. Tapos ito yung bigay ng biyanan ko sa kanya. Tapos ito yung card niya kanina. Mamaya na daw niya bubuksan yung present niya mamaya. Mamaya daw niya bubuksan yung present niya. Tapos iyan yung sabihanan ko. Tapos ito yung card niya kanina. So, yan. Magsisimple celebration kami mamaya.
Yeah. Celebrate on Friday.
Friday. Yeah, oo. Aalis kami sa Friday. Yun ang gusto niya. Hinihiling niyang i-shopping siya. Pero today, kakain muna ako ng breakfast. Is it alright for you if I eat first?
Of course it is, darling.
I'm hungry now, love.
You want to be very selfish?
I'm very selfish. I've waited for you. You did. It's almost 11 now. 11 a.m. I'm hungry. I did not have coffee yet. So, guys, kakain muna ako. I will cook very yummy carbonara. It's Riona's favorite, guys. So, eto yung cake niya na binili namin sa kanya. Very cute. Siya lang binili namin ng cake kasi nga nagda-diet si Adrian. Tapos ako naman ayoko ng matamis na. Umiiwas na ako sa matamis. Tapos eto yung card na binigay namin sa kanya. Bali, hinihintay namin si Riona. Tinawag siya ng mga, umuwi na siya. Tinawag siya ng mga tinawagan siya sa phone ng mga kaklase niya tsaka kaibigan niya. May ibibigay daw sa kanya na hindi na ibigay kanina sa school. Kaya lumabas muna siya ulit para kunin yung mga regalo. Yan. Sabi ko nga, sabi ko nga, lumabas sila ng mga kaibigan niya o kaya manood sila ng sine o kumain sila. Ayun naman na Riona, gusto niya i-shopping lang daw namin siya. Kaya sa aalis ulit kami mga Friday, yun. Lalabas namin siya. Kain na kami. Ito na ang aming dinner. Ayan yung Riona. Ito kay Daddy Adrian. And the birthday girl is there. She got so many presents. She got so many presents. Ang babait naman na yung kaibigan mo. Tapos she got another 20 pounds. Tapos meron pa siya kanina ng 20 pounds. So many naman. And then that's it. Cute naman. Kakain muna kami guys. Kasi busy muna kami ngayon. Kakain muna kami. Smile!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys! Outfit check! Look!
Fit check.
Outfit check! Harap kayo dito babe! Face the ano! Hello guys! Alis kami today. Papunta kami ng mall. Titreat namin si Riona kasi ito ang kanyang simple birthday celebration. Ayan si Daddy drinking coke. Ayan si Daddy drinking din. Nauhaw na sila. Agang mga nauhaw nitong kasama ko. Maggagala-gala kami ngayon guys.
What we're waiting for. Must be some temporary lights.
Pupunta kami sa mall today kasi nga nung birthday ni Riona may pasok siya. Ngayon lang namin siya maititreat. Ayaw naman niya mag-party, nahiya siya. Invite kahit yung very close friend lang niya. Kaya titreat na lang namin siya sa mall guys. Papakita namin sa inyo yung ganap namin mamaya. See you again!
People are nice, but it's only for the tips. The weather's fine, but it's nothing I would miss. My only friends are the ones I left behind. Wish I could see them just for a moment. Cause I don't know anybody here, it's awfully lonely. I smile, but they just stare. And I see misery.
Hello! We're waiting for our food. Tapos lilipat kami sa doon sa isa. Andito kami sa Wingstop. Hintay lang namin ng food. Ito guys, in-order ko. Parang lunch ko na yan. Tapos ayan si Riona kumakain ng Wingstop. Wingstop ba yan? Hinihintay namin si Adrian. Nasa si Adrian? Order si Adrian ng food niya. Kain muna kami guys.
Everywhere it's getting to me. I cry, but they don't care. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and the sound is way too loud. Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. This town is bigger than the ocean, yet too small to fit the crowd. Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. No, I'm not a city girl. No. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and there's nowhere I can hide. Cause I'm not a city girl. Keep to yourself, and I
So guys, ayan nawawala kami dito sa mapa. Nawawala kami. Nawawala kami. Bagay sa'yo, be. Bagay sa'yo. Maganda yan, be, oh. Size small.
Yeah, that's small.
Is that as light as you?
So ayan guys, nag-order si Adrian ng coffee. Ang cute ng dito, orderan ng cute coffee. Ayan sa touchscreen. Hello, babe! Oh, nice! Ganda niyang nabili mo. Bagay sa'yo. Bagay.
Sa River Island.
Okay, babe.
Is this from River Island? Zara.
Zara. Bagay. Ayan, nagkakape ko dito ng decaf, guys. Habang hinihintay ko yung dalawa, nasa blended sila. Nagbi-milkshake. Go-order ng milkshake. Ayan na sila. Naka-order na sila ng milkshake. Anong flavor yan, nak?
Peanut butter.
Peanut
Reese's
butter.
peanut butter cup flavour
Do you think it's nice?
with marshmallow and Cadbury's flake topping.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
My heart is made of stone. I know it's not my fault. It's just the way it is.
Bagay sa'yo.
My
Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant. Hi, smile, babe. Our Terminator. Kapapanood namin ng Terminator. He is copying, what is name? Pops. Pops. What is name? Pops.
Smile in the video.
Hi guys. Nagpapahinga kami dito. Mag-stop muna kami dito para mag-dinner.
Gonna get copyrighted.
You'll see me wear like the third hoodie in the video. I mean the third jacket in the video.
Who wears
Like-
a fur jacket? Oh, you?
Yeah, it's because I've changed it so many times.
Guys, kain muna kami dito ng merienda. Merienda muna kami bago daw kami mag-dinner, sabi ni Daddy. Iyon na naman yung kamay mo na. Ito yung akin tsaa. Ayun yung Cariona. Ayan guys, so nakakuha tayo ng bagay sa aking get up. Ayan, kunin natin to. Ayan yung bigay sa akin ni Adrian na sapatos. I will get this one. She wants to smell the perfume.
Oh, look. That's not yellow diamond.
That one.
Oh, the yellow diamond one.
Thanks so much.
Sometimes here it's nice here. Look. This is what I like. Ito yung perfume ko. Bigay sa akin ni Daddy noon.
Bulgari.
Last year. Ay, wala naman silang Bulgari dyan. So guys, pauwi na kami. Kakain pala muna kami. Ayan. Ayan, pinamili ni Adrian Seriona na ang kanyang birthday gift. Hindi ako masyado makapag-film kasi maingay. Kakain muna kami. Ayan na pala. Thank you. Oh, ito na yung food namin guys. Kakain na kami. Yung kay Adrian. Seriona.
That's your butter, oily buttery thing.
So ako daw magbabayad nito. Ayan, libre ko yung dalawa. I will treat you guys. Ako magbabayad. I will pay for this, babe.
Salary, yeah?
Yeah, my YouTube salary. I will pay for this. On my YouTube salary. Pauwi na kami, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
My heart is made of stone. I know it's not my fault. It's just the way it is, love. My childhood was a bore. My feelings got ignored. Now I get back to now, love.